தெரியுது வர ஒரு டைம் அதை அடிச்சிட்டு வந்திருக்க விலை 15 கோடி.
டேய் 3 idiots, இதெல்லாம் உங்க அறிவுக்கு ரொம்ப அதிகம். தயவு செஞ்சு வீட்டுக்கு கிளம்புங்க.
மகனே, எங்க பிளான் தெரியாம தெரியற. டேய் சொல்றேன்.
எலக்ட்ரிஷியன் வேஷத்துல இருக்கறானா? அலார சவுண்ட் கேட்காம இருக்கிறதுக்காக அந்த டைமண்டை சுத்தி இருக்கிற லேசர் லைட்டை கட் பண்ண போறேன்.
ஹவுஸ் கீப்பிங் வேஷத்துல இருக்கிற நான் ரூம் பூரா புகை போட்டுருவேன். நான் வெளியே ஜீப்ல காத்துக்கிட்டு இருப்பேன். ரெண்டு பேரும் வந்த உடனே ஜாலியா இருப்பேன்.
Hope everyone has watched this comedy, right? Here you can see there are 4 people. So they have a mission to steal the diamond from the mall. So to steal the diamond, each and every individual has their own task. If everyone accomplishes their task, then they would be able to steal the diamond, right? So just like that, how the transistor works. So in circuit board, there are the group of transistor work together to accomplish the task. Welcome to Infostonsystems streaming channel. This is David. Let's go to the topic. In this episode, we're going to talk about the structure of the transistor and how the group of transistor work together to accomplish the task. So before we're going to talk about how the group of transistor work together to complete the task, I just want you to understand the structure of the transistor. The transistor has 3 parts. One is source, then second one is gate, and the third one is drain. So the source where the electricity starts and drain where the electricity goes. So there is a gate in between to control the current flow between source and drain. So when I use the terminology source, drain and technology, I understand that will make you confused, right? So I would like to simplify this to let you understand better. So here you can see this video. There you can see there is a water tank on the top. There are 6 houses on the street. Each and every house has a separate pipeline. All the pipelines are connected with the water tank. So assume that water tank is a source that is give the water to all the houses. That's called drain. So 6 houses will receive the water from the tank, and there is a valve in every pipeline. Every individual house has a separate valve. So assume that I am street in charge. I can control the valve. So if I think if I want to stop the water to flow to the second house, what I have to do, I just simply go and close the valve of the second house. So once I close the pipeline valve, then the water will stop flowing to the second house. So same like that, I can open the valve to let the water to flow and stop the valve to stop the water to flow. So here you can see the valve has only 2 actions. Either it has to stop the water or it has to open the water, right? Same like that, a transistor also has source, gate and drain, and gate can do either only 2 actions. One is switch on or switch off. So switch on means there is a number called 1, numerical number called 1, and switch off means the numerical number 0. So that's called binary numbers. Programmatically, there's a high level program. The high level program will be converted to the machine language. Then the machine will operate according to zeros and ones. So we will talk about the program, how the program will control the machine in upcoming episode in the same series. So now let's talk about how the group of transistor work together to accomplish the task. So to make you simply understand, we all know how a fully automatic washing machine works, right? So the fully automatic machine has 5 functionalities. Basically, it will start from fill the water to the drum, and the second one is it will rinse the cloth, and the third one is drain the water, and fourth one is spin the cloth, and fifth one is dry the cloth. So to wash the cloth, the washing machine has to accomplish the 5 tasks. So assume that there are 5 transistors. As soon as you turn on the washing machine by clicking the start button, so the water will start flowing to the drum. So once it's reached the limited quantity set by the program, the water will stop. So how it happens, the processor will send the signal to that filling water transistor gate. So if that transistor receive signal 1, then it will switch on the transistor. Then the mechanism will start and the valve will be opened and the water will flow to the drum. So once that water is reached the limit, the processor will send the 0 signal to the gate, then the transistor will be switched off, then valve will be closed. Then as soon as that the valve closed, the second transistor, which is connected with the rinse mechanism or motor, so that transistor will receive the signal 1, then means the transistor will be switched on, then the machine will start. The means that motor will start and it will start rinse the cloth. Once the rinse completed, then the program will send the signal 0 to the transistor, then transistor will be switched off, then the motor will be switched off, then as soon as the rinse motor transistor is switched off, then the drain transistor will be switched on because it will receive the signal 1. So same like that, all the functionalities will be completed by the respective transistor. So this is the way the group of transistor will accomplish the task. So I just have given the example as a washing machine, but the transistor will be used everywhere, and even the smartphone and your laptop. So there are billions of transistors work together to accomplish any task, right? So, and we all know that like source and drain, right? Same like that transistor, how we see the washing machine, like each and every transistor, like for example you see transistor in rinse, then as soon as that transistor received the signal 1, then the transistor source will pass the current to the rinse motor, right? The rinse motor is a drain. Same like the circuit board also has a drain that is connected with any particular component or any particular mechanical machines, or it be connected to any circuit board. So this is what the purpose of source, gate, and drain and transistor. So I hope you all enjoyed this section. So the next video we will talk about how the gate will make the transistor switch on and switch off. This is very important because you understand the gate will switch on and switch off the transistor, but what is the mechanism behind that? So we will talk about that in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you.